Okay, where to go from here? And as you can tell, there's a lot more education that can occur beyond the scope of this webinar that was as in terms of an introduction. As I mentioned, Equine Guelph, we do have a range of resources that are online. It's the horseportal.ca. We have, as I mentioned, a range of tools that are both videos, more how-to videos, and we also have reference sheets that go through a lot of the different procedures and the equipment that you've seen this afternoon. We also have short online courses as well. And our partner, Farm and Food Care, earlier Bruce and Victor mentioned about additional livestock transport emergencies training. On Farm and Food Care's site, there's a range of videos and also information sheets. I don't know, Victor, if you want to say a couple of words about the emergency response workshops that is offered through Farm and Food Care.
Thank you. Farm and Food Care offers an excellent program in regards to dealing with livestock rollover on incidents on the highway. It offers a vehicle trailer design, handling of livestock, what happens to them on a rollover, how to do incident command, the type of equipment you'll need to cut into the trailer, and what type of a containment you'll have to have. And if you're interested in it, please log on and you can review the Farm and Food Care online and go to the website and you can see their videos. It's an excellent refresher. So here it is, some of the incidents that we talk about is on the left there, you're going to have approximately 180 swines that are being transported. Now it's the vehicles on its side. Now you have a cubic space of less than half of 180 swine. So there's a lot of injuries and crush factor. The middle picture, you're going to have the animals that are dead stock or being euthanized are being moved from one trailer to another. And then on the far right, it's trailer design and concepts on how to extricate and cut in certain areas of the trailer.
In addition to this type of training, there's also training in Incident Management System, or ICS. So for those of you that haven't taken ICS or IMS training, there is training available. In Ontario, I'll send out the link for the IMS training, but for those interested in training that's an agricultural based, I'll also send out this link, but Susan Fitzgerald is collecting names of those that are interested in workshop. I think she's optimistic and hoping for this year doing hands-on workshop, but she's also looking at virtual training as well. And we've mentioned there's a range of resources out there. So it's not just Ontario's large animal rescue training. It's based on worldwide best practices and a body of knowledge that's out there. So I think we've mentioned Rebecca quite a few times. So Dr. Rebecca Gimenez-Eusted of HERE-LAR Inc. There's an excellent Facebook group that's like a study group that has some excellent information. She's actually written a textbook. I've shown websites for BARDA, which is the British Animal Rescue and Trauma Care Association. There's excellent tools on that website. And again, I'll send out these links. The South Australian Horse Industry has some excellent resources as well. And there's online training through the University of Florida. And that's the BARDA resource website. A lot of this training is based on reference documents, which is the NFPA. There's NFPA 150, 1006, and 1670. And again, I'll send out these links if you wanted to follow up with some of this information. And I won't go through all the names, but yes, you can imagine both in the body of knowledge that's out there and then also our Ontario training team, there's a lot of people that are putting a lot of effort behind this type of training.